Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable the Google Chrome pop-up blocker. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up Google Chrome and select the three-dotted icon up at the top right. And then you want to go down and select Settings. And then you want to select Privacy and Security on the left panel. And now on the right side, you want to locate something that says Site Settings. And then if you go down underneath Content, it should say Pop-ups and Redirects. Go ahead and select that. And then you want to select where it says sites can send you pop-ups and redirects if you want to enable that. If you want to disable it, you would select don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects, whatever your preference may be. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.